Looking for a case that truly protects your AirPods Pro without bulk? The Pelican Marine Series Armor Case for AirPods Pro 2019 offers IP68 certified protection against water, dust, dirt, and snow, so you can take your earbuds anywhere without worry. Its slim profile and soft touch finish make it comfortable to hold and keep it from sliding off surfaces. Whether you're at the gym, commuting, or outdoors, this case keeps your AirPods safe and secure. I bought this case for my son, and what stood out immediately was its durability. The military-grade drop protection means it can handle accidental drops, bumps, and scratches thanks to its hard shell with a matte finish. Plus, the anti-fingerprint and anti-dust coating keeps it looking clean and fresh, even after daily use. It's clear this isn't just a cover, it's a rugged shield designed to last. Charging your AirPods Pro is hassle-free with this case. You don't have to remove it for wired lightning or wireless Qi charging. The port covers are precisely designed to block dust and prevent scratches, adding another layer of defense. The thoughtful four-corner airbag design and shock-absorbent materials protect your earbuds during active moments like running or sports. Plus, the detachable carabiner clip lets you easily attach your AirPods to a backpack, handbag, or pouch for hands-free convenience. If you're someone who wants dependable protection without sacrificing style or ease of use, the Pelican Marine Series Armor Case is worth a look. It fits Apple AirPods Pro 2019 models perfectly and comes with a 1-year warranty, giving you peace of mind. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your AirPods protection to something built tough and smart.